When you come in with a problem, एक या दो generally में आपकी वो चीज address हो जाती है. But because we are human beings, multifaceted,
Yes,
we are daughters, mothers, teachers, wives. We are, we have different aspects of our personality. So आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि मैंने एक चीज पे काम किया और बाकी सब छोड़ दिए. हो सकता है ये एरिया करने के बाद आपको किसी और एरिया में भी इम्प्रूवमेंट की जरूरत महसूस हो. So then you come as an independent case again to seek clarity and work on that. Because see, we are all work in progress. Till the last day of our lives, we will keep improving on ourselves. We can never say that निर्वाणा हो गया, मैं परफेक्ट हूँ, अब मुझे किसी चीज से दिक्कत नहीं है. सिचुएशंस चेंज होती रहेंगी, आपकी सर्कमस्टांसेस बदलेंगी. You as a person will keep evolving. जो अभी आपको बहुत जरूरी लग रहा है, 5 साल बाद वो आप बोलोगे ये नहीं चाहिए मुझे. I don't run behind a career now. I want to focus probably more on something else. So we keep changing. Our requirements change, our focus changes. So what is relevant now may not be earth-shattering for you after 5 years. So with that changing, we are always in for better and better. But yes, by and large, these sessions, either one or two, kind of sorts out whatever your problem is.
So, can we put it in wellness stuff instead of like I really have a problem and I need to meet you? Can we make it part of our wellness? Like आपको जिम में wellness का है clinics. So similarly, this idea.
Absolutely. See, we say you need to exercise to tone your body. This is to tone your mind.
Tone your mind.
And हम सबको पता है कि पहिए गाड़ी के दोनों पहिए बराबर होंगे तो ही गाड़ी चलेगी. सिर्फ बॉडी बिल्डिंग कर करके शरीर फिट बनाने से, बट अंदर इतना नेगेटिव रहने से तो वो कहीं ना कहीं फिर शरीर पर ही आएगा.
बिल्कुल. Like I want to share one my personal example here in the sense that when you are living not with many people around, like you are maybe husband and wife and children, you're not encountering many people, so there are no clashes, there are no opinions against कि आपको conflict manage करना है. So but when you're living, suddenly you reach a point जहाँ आपके 10 लोगों के साथ आपके relations हैं.
Yes.
I think that is the time you realize, oh my God, ये क्या हो गया? कल तक तो सब कुछ perfect था.
Correct.
आज ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है?
Yes.
So it's always there. It is just that where your place suddenly makes you fine, but when you are exposed to the realities of the world, and that's the mirror you start looking at it like,
So you remember we spoke about nature and nurture. So
Yeah.
it's not just आपने अपने ऊपर काम करना है, but जब आप किसी environment पे जाते हैं, that is your true mirror. Whether you are at ease with when people are around you and different situations, वो आपकी घड़ी इम्तिहान की है जो बताएगी.
बहुत मुश्किल है. बहुत मुश्किल होती है. हमें लगता है हम बैलेंस्ड हैं, पर एक फ्रिक्शन किसी के
Yes.
साथ है, just lose it.
So that brings me to another very important point, which is good if the audience gets to hear about. एक ये frequent इसमें question आया था in different formats, that how do we become emotionally sound or healthy, or what is the पहचान अगर मैं emotionally healthy हूँ. उसकी यही पहचान है. आप flexible हैं, adaptable हैं, कोई challenge आता है तो आप उसको challenge की तरह देखते हैं, उसको कैसे navigate करना है. You have to cross it and move on is what shows you how emotionally flexible, adaptable, evolved you are. जो घबरा के डर के टूट गया, overthinking mode में चला गया, procrastinate करता रह गया, वो सब unhealthy वाली साइड में आ जाते हैं. Ignore and denial and avoid.
Is the best weapon we have.
Yes. So those are the coping mechanisms. Denial, ignore, avoid. हम कहीं और से चले जाएंगे, हम ये लेंगे ही नहीं, तो वो वाले उस कैटेगरी में आ जाते हैं. But to be persistent, to focus on how I cross this hurdle rather than the hurdle. ये क्यों आ गई, कैसे आ गई, किसने डाल दी, why me only.
So this therapy does help in here? It does.
It's working on your mind. It's working on your mind.
Uh.
It is getting you from the healthy unhealthy coping mechanisms to a healthier coping mechanism, getting you into that growth mindset we read about
Yes,
these days,
yes.
which emphasizes don't see the obstacle as an obstacle, see it as an opportunity to grow,
Like
to
from
learn.
why to how.
Yes.
Like why is it there? Instead
Yes.
of that, I say, okay, how do I now cross it and go to the other
Absolutely,
side?
absolutely.
Very beautifully said.
Yes.
तो बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा सुन के.